Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by organizing ingredients for Mojito Masala. Measure 2 tablespoons dried mint, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon fine salt into small bowls. Zest half a lime and slice a 3/5-inch lime into wedges for optional fresh use. Toast 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon black pepper in a dry pan for 30 seconds until aromatic. Let cool. Prepare 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, place toasted cumin, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, and 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes in a spice grinder and pulse to a fine, even powder. Transfer the ground spice to a mixing bowl and add the 2 tablespoons dried mint, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt. Stir until homogeneous. Taste and adjust heat by adding or removing chili flakes. If the texture is too coarse, pulse once more for a smoother masala suitable for rimming glasses or sprinkling on fruit. Spoon the finished Mojito Masala into a clean airtight jar and label with the date. Store up to 6 months in a cool, dark place away from heat and light. For drinks use, wet the rim with lime juice and apply 1/2 teaspoon masala per glass for a pronounced flavor, or stir 1 teaspoon into a pitcher for every 8 cups of mocktail. Sprinkle a pinch on fresh fruit or yogurt, or mix with 1 tablespoon oil as a marinade for a minty, tangy finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.